guys about that. We had a few issues. The entire thing crashed, unfortunately. As soon as we went in here to do what we were trying to do, for some reason it just completely caked it. I have no idea why or what the heck happened on that, but that's okay. That's all right. We're going to start over, and I'm going to go through the different steps of what you've got to do, and we'll bring up the whole thing. So it's going to be pretty dang easy, but this is what you're going to do. You can do it along with me. What we're going to do is Forever Skies has a beta that's out right now. We're going to go through the steps on how to do it. I don't know what happened actually before when we were messing with stuff. It looks like for some reason Streamlabs crashed, which it happens, so no biggie. So this is the first thing you're going to do. You're going to go to your Steam, right? You're going to find the Forever Skies. You're going to right-click Properties, and in Properties there's a beta, okay? And that'll, when you right-click the Forever Skies, so you right-click it, click Properties, then you'll see General Updates, Installed Files, Betas, and Controllers. So look on the left-hand side, click the beta. Once you click the beta, you'll see Beta Participation says None. Click that, and basically you'll put in the beta access code to unlock the private beta. So, in the thing that they tell us, I guess, on how to access it, it says right-click the property beta, put in the password Blimp Workshop. So that's what you're going to need in order to get into it. So again, same exact process, right-click Properties, click Beta, go to the beta spot, put that in there, Blimp Workshop, check the code, beta access code is invalid. Well, that sucks. So it doesn't even work. Huh. Let's just go back to their instructions here. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll switch you over. You guys can see exactly what I'm seeing here. Let me get the live scene going here. Switch over that, and I want you to look at it. 1 second here. Windows capture. Hopefully will catch my Steam up. See if you guys can see the same thing that I am seeing. Let's see if I can get this to work. You would think that it would be that easy. Okay. So, over here, yeah, this thing right here, I'm going to right-click it. I'll open it up a little bit so you guys can see. Let's see if I can get this to expand. That would be great. So you see this, the Blimp Workshop. This is what we're putting in order to get the beta for Forever Skies. In the instructions, it says that that's what we do. So I'm going to, let's go over here. Let's see if I can get the Steam settings open up. Okay, here we go. Goodness gracious. Oh, there we go. You guys can see some information there. Write that down, you know, whatever. Check my... Don't look at it. Don't look at it. No, I'm just kidding. It's no big deal. Let's see here. How do I get that other thing switched over so you guys can see it? Can you see the Steam? No, you still can't see it. Why will that not show the stupid Steam? Ever since it switched over to this new beta thing, I've hated it. There we go. That'll work. And now, fit to screen. Perfect. Okay. So we're going to read the instructions together and see if I'm missing something, because we put in Blimpy. You know, we put in the password that it told us. So let's go over and read. It says, right here, put in the password Blimp Workshop. From the drop-down menu, select the beta branch titled Beta Flight. Press the blue opt into beta. And that did not work. So we took Blimp Workshop. I'm going to try it again here. I mean, from what they're showing in this, we put this in here. I see it says opt into the beta. It didn't allow us to. I wonder if other people had this problem as well. Let's see what the discussion had. First person says, excellent, cool. I was waiting for this to open all. Thanks for adding Italian. Nice. Yeah, it's working for other people. Okay, so then why the hell is it not working for us? All right, we're going to go over here. I'm going to try this again. So Forever Skies right there. Properties. Beta. Let's put the code in again. Blimp Workshop. And that is exactly what it said. And when we put it in, oh, now it popped up. I swear to goodness, it didn't work before. Okay. So now it's working. So check the code. Boom. Success. Beta unlocked. Okay, so we've got that working. Now that the beta is unlocked, it's downloading right now, as you guys can see. So we've got that. And then there's one more kind of step in the process, and I'll show you guys what we have to do. So if you want to further expand your thing, you basically have to bring up your folder. And in your folder, you're then going to go to like your C drive, right? So under your C drive, once you're in there, go to your program data. Actually, no, I don't know if it's users. First users. Then pick your username, so whatever your computer is called, whatever that is. Click that. Then click app data. Then click local. Then once you click local, you're going to basically be looking for, oh goodness, what was it called again? The one that you're going to be looking for, let's bring up the instructions again. This thing is wonderful. It has a million buttons to get there, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. So it's users, username, app data, local, then you want to do Project Zeppelin. So bring up the Project Zeppelin once you get that. Then once you open up Project Zeppelin, click the save. Once you click the save, click Save Games. And then you're going to copy the save game, whatever the most recent one is. So mine is 72410. And what it says is there should be, it says locate your test branch save file by default. They should be stored in the following file path. C users, username, app data, local, Project Zeppelin, saved beta flight save game. Paste your copied save file. As a precaution, make a second copy of your save file and paste it somewhere on your desktop or in a safe folder. This way you can ensure you have a clean backup. So I'm going to do that just in case. So right-click it, do new, click folder, just say safe, save, paste whatever you've got in there. So mine's save game slot _ save 72410, which is the last time I played it. And we might have to launch the game in beta to get it to actually make it. So let's just switch it over. Hold on, where are you guys? 1 second, I'm switching you over. Just give me 2 seconds. So shut that off. Turn this on. There we go. You guys can hear the game, I think. And then, oh, Forever Skies. You should see the game very soon. So let's see if this works. So fit to screen, transition, there we go. So now we've got ourselves the beta. This is the beta. Okay, so anonymous gameplay data. We would like to collect anonymous data, continue to improve Forever Skies. Do you agree for us collecting data? I agree. I'm really for the game. So now that it's done this, when we go to play, you can see that there's nothing in here. Okay, so we know that this is the brand new one. Once you get in here, if you guys are seeing this, you see no save game, you know that you are in the beta. So quit the game at this point. Boom, boom shakalaka. Now, at this point, you're going to go back into your folder. So find whatever that one, or you have to save, copy that. Leave the one in the safe save folder. Go over to save games, and you should have it in here. It's still, I'm not seeing it. There it is. So in Project Zeppelin, so if you're going through the list, again, your local C driver, user, username, app data, local, then Project Zeppelin folder. Once you get to the Project Zeppelin folder, click the saved beta flight. Once you're in there, in the saved beta flight, if we're going by the instructions, what it says here, we'll bring them up one more time to make sure we're doing it right. Once you're in there, what you're going to do is it says locate the test branch save folder. By default, they should be stored in Project Zeppelin saved beta flight save game. Paste your copied save file into this location. So saved games, we should be able to do it. So let's go over, click your thing. And in mine, I actually don't have a saved. It hasn't even made a saved folder yet. That's weird. So let's just paste one. Let's paste the save game in there. And let's try that now. I'm wondering if you have to actually start one for it to start a folder. That could be the case as well. If anybody's got an idea or they've got theirs to work, let me know. Hopefully this should switch over to Forever Skies. There we go. We're going to see if it comes up now, but I think you actually have to create the file. Yeah, see, it's not there. So whatever, we'll just do normal, and then we'll jump out of it right away. We're going to get it to work. We'll get it to work. Let's jump through this. We've done this. Was this part? Yeah, this happened. This happened. Alright, so there we go. We come flying in there with a tantrum. Good gracious. Good gracious. Okay, so now that we've done this, alright, come on, open that up. So here's this. We're gonna save now. And now we're gonna quit. Save and quit. So it should now have created this thing. So we've got now the folder that has that save in it. All we should have to do now is go find that folder and we should be good. So let's go back. We'll try this one more time. This is where it works. This is where it works. Yep, there it is. So now in the Project Zeppelin saved beta flight, once you create that save game, now there's a save game folder in there. So you're going to go back in there, you're going to delete all those out that we just created, and you're going to take that save game slot, the one that you had from the past game, just drag it right in there and drop it. So now, when we boot the game up, this is all going to work out. It's going to be perfect, okay? Let's hope this works. I'm really hoping it works after we went through all of that crap to get this beta to work. I'm on. But at least, hey, I mean, if anybody watches this video, now they'll know exactly how to get the beta to work. Oh, yeah. So, play. There it is. July 2nd. So that's our old save. Time survived 25. There we go. So it did work. It did actually work. Well, that feels good. That feels pretty good. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Unfortunately, our thing crashed in the middle of it, so our people over on YouTube are suffering. So, we're going to give this 2 seconds, and I'm going to fix that. So let's go over to the intermission. Make sure that you guys over on YouTube are at least seeing this, considering everything crashed, and I'm sorry. I really am sorry that it did happen, but that, unfortunately, that's just what happens with things when you're in the middle of stuff. So let's see if I can get this to work.